Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with yet another pattern with the post stitches. It's alternating post stitches of double crochet front post and double crochet back post, and it's titled as woven stitch. It gives a woven effect. So in the last video we saw the single rib, but here it is worked with a difference, and this particular pattern requires multiples of even number of chains. Okay, we will begin with even number of chains. I worked the sample with just brown hobby store 100% premium acrylic anti-pill medium weight 4 yarn, and its color code is 2015. And as usual I worked with my 5.5 mm clover MR hook. I shall make the required number of chains and get back to you. I have made 12 chains, and as usual start working one double crochet in the fourth chain from hook. 1 2 3 4, and one double crochet in each chain across. So you'll end up with 10 double crochets. So let me complete this double crochet row and get back to you. So I have made the DCs. Now you can have the option of turning chains 3 or turn and make a double crochet. First and last ones are the double crochets, and this woven stitch is a 2-row repeat pattern. So second row you begin with front post double crochet in the second stitch, back post double crochet in the next. So it's a repeat of FPDC, BPDC. So you will end up with BPDC in the penultimate stitch. Okay. Since we have taken even number of chains, we have even number of stitches. So we'll have equal number of FPDCs and BPDC, and in the last chain we are working a DC. Okay. So here is where the difference of the single rib and this woven. Turn your work, place a DC on the very first stitch here, and now you are having the front post here, so on this you're going to work the back post. So your row 2 is FPDC, BPDC, row 3 is BPDC, FPDC. That is how you get the woven effect. So you're very likely to get confused. So simple logic you have to follow is, if you see an FPDC in front of you, work the other BPDC on it. And you have the back post here, so you work the front post and you're pulling it inside and creating a woven effect. It's a woven effect. And place a DC on the very last stitch here. So this is how the pattern develops. Again, this is a reversible pattern. This is my sample swatch. See how beautiful it looks, and this also works great for your hot pads and close knit fabrics. At the same time have some air gaps, little air gaps. It gives a woven effect, like as though you have weaved in the fabric. That is how it looks once it's complete. And when you work with very lightweight yarns, it looks beautiful. Thank you friends for watching this video. Have a great day. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel, and do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Every day we are uploading a video, so you'll be notified of those videos. Okay, have a great day friends. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now.